Just after releasing a feature to detect and label AI-generated videos, YouTube has released a new feature that'll let you arrange videos using AI. Ironic, isn't it? Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech updates. YouTube has rolled out a new feature called Your Custom Feed. By using this, you can build personalized playlists based on your interests, hobbies, and daily routines simply by entering a prompt. The playlists you generate using this can be then pinned to the top of your homepage, so whenever you get some screen time, you can jump back in quickly. To use the feature, all you have to do is tap on Your Custom Feed chip at the top of your homepage. Then, enter a prompt to describe what you want the playlist to be about. Google gives a few examples like 15-minute HIIT workouts that don't need any equipment and zero jumping, and deep dive text podcasts that learn more about AI for work. You can edit your prompt anytime from the text box at the top of your custom feed to generate a new space. But this isn't the first time platforms used AI prompt feature to generate playlists, as Spotify has also released it prompted playlist tool for music and podcasts earlier this year. YouTube's custom feed feature is now rolling out to all the signed-in viewers in the US on mobile or desktop in English. To get this feature, just make sure your YouTube search and watch history are turned on in your account settings. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update.